Fried shrimp. Start with shrimp. Either raw or frozen. Shell on or shelled, head on or headless, depending on your preference. Most shrimp sold are usually deveined. However, some fresh raw shrimp may need to be deveined. Season the shrimp using salt and black pepper. Some people prefer traditional spice blends such as Old Bay. Prepare egg with a little water in a bowl. Add some of the seasoning from the shrimp to the egg mixture. Soak the shrimp in the egg mixture. Preheat a pan with about a cup of cooking oil to about 300 degrees. Coat the shrimp in flour, or bread crumbs. I prefer panko bread crumbs. Fry shrimp about 2 or 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Serve along with your favorite dipping sauce. Please like, share and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for watching.